Hello everyone, my name is Martha. Welcome to this video in which we will know how some animals are said in the Italian language. I have grouped them by blocks and this is the first of them. Let's start. Remember that in the main branch I place the word in English and in the subsequent branch in Italian. We are going to start in the blue branch that says monkey, and it is translated as shimia. Remember that when we have the letter C next to the I, we must pronounce it as sh, shimia. Then in the yellow branch, we have mouse, which in Italian is called topo. In the red branch, we have bear, and it is said orso. Then we have bee in the light purple branch, which translated as ape. Then in the dark blue branch, we have ant. In Italian, it is says formica. In the green branch, we have dolphin, which is called delfino. The next pink branch shows a spider, which is called ragno. Note that when the letter G is next to the N, there is a particular sound, ragno, ragno. Then, in the orange branch, we have shark, which is called squalo. And finally, in the dark purple branch, we have dog, which is translated as anatra. Alright, let's go over all the words we learned today. Scimmia, topo, orso, ape, formica, delfino, ragno, squalo, anatra. I congratulate you on the knowledge you have gained today, and we will meet soon in another video to continue learning more. I invite you to subscribe to my channel and click like if the video was of interest to you. Ciao!